There's a place in the Atlantic Ocean where planes vanish mid-flight. Ships are sometimes found drifting with no crew aboard. Entire rescue missions have disappeared without a trace. For decades, people have called it the most dangerous place on Earth, the Bermuda Triangle. But what if everything you've heard is only half the story? The Bermuda Triangle isn't officially recognized on any map. No international body defines its boundaries. Yet somehow, everyone seems to know where it is. It's said to stretch between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, covering up to 1.5 million square miles of ocean. Within this region, stories claim over 50 ships and more than 20 aircraft have disappeared. Some estimates go even further, suggesting over 1,000 incidents since 1900. No wreckage, no signals, no explanation. At least that's the legend. The Bermuda Triangle didn't become famous overnight. It was built case by case over decades. Flight 19 in 1945 involved 5 U.S. Navy planes on a routine training mission. Their instructor radioed that they didn't know where they were and everything looked wrong. Both compasses reportedly failed, and the pilots became disoriented as fuel ran low. All 5 planes vanished, and no wreckage was ever found. A rescue plane sent to find them also disappeared, leaving 27 men lost. The USS Cyclops in 1918 was a massive cargo ship carrying 309 people that never sent a distress signal. To this day, it remains the largest non-combat naval loss in U.S. history. Star Tiger in 1948 was a passenger flight of 31 people that vanished without trace. No debris and no explanation followed these cases, but they formed a pattern in the public mind. Humans are wired to fear patterns we can't explain. Once the mystery took hold, the explanations became extreme, from alien abductions to time warps. Even Christopher Columbus reportedly saw strange lights and compass issues centuries ago. The idea was simple: this place is not normal, and every new disappearance reinforced that idea. But when we step away from stories and look at the numbers, the picture changes. NOAA finds no evidence that disappearances occur more frequently in the Bermuda Triangle than elsewhere. Lloyd's of London reached the same conclusion, that the region is not unusually dangerous. So why does it feel cursed despite the data? One explanation is extreme weather, where storms collide and conditions change in minutes. Rogue waves over 100 feet tall have been recorded and can snap ships in half. Magnetic anomalies like the Agonic Line can make compasses behave differently. The Gulf Stream is a powerful current that can carry debris away quickly, leaving no clues. Human error, navigation mistakes, and mechanical failures are the most common causes. Flight 19 was likely caused by pilot disorientation and instrument failure rather than supernatural forces. The real mystery becomes a question about human psychology and storytelling. Many cases were misreported, exaggerated, or taken out of context over time. Some ships labeled missing were later found, and some so-called calm weather disappearances happened during storms. When you group a century of accidents into one location, it starts to look supernatural even when it is not. The legend was built by storytelling, not by a single inexplicable force.